Run.
Okay. Hang on. Okay. You're free.
I just don't want to hit you.
Depending on the weight of the object, a single ring trying to rig off can be incredibly dangerous. It creates a smush effect which makes the rope susceptible to breaking a lot easier. The bend right ring is actually 2 rings in one, which creates a real safe bend radius. We're actually using it on an all gear sling here. Ready?
Yep.
Here it comes. God dang. Jeez, dude. I guess it's better than going underneath it and busting the wind. I don't know. Guess it sucks either way. I gotta get beat up here somehow. It's gonna happen. There it is. Tell you what, man, I'm half tempted to get my damn 362.
and use it, because I'm gonna sit here and take them way too long to make cuts.
Honestly, I don't know how sharp the 290 is.
I'm thinking about taking a pretty good size one on this one. Like from there.
Just wanting to spiral around it.
Yep. Yeah, it wasn't grabbing. It was like getting pinched.
When I'm negative rigging, I always offset my ring a little bit so that when the piece does come down, it doesn't land right on the bollard and smash it. So you'll notice that here.
Ready, fellas?
Yep.
It's a fatty. For this camp daddy.
Alright, Dave, slow.
Woo! I'd say one more good chunk and I may be able to cut pieces and hand them to you guys.
Yeah. I'd say about 2 more chunks. And I knew she was talking about it.
Yes, we're going to Jones. It's none of your business though. Shut up.
I just know our main customer in St. Louis is one.
Shut up, Dave. Just shut up. Don't talk no more.
I've told him I was 5 times today. I don't know how to say it nicely.
Suck it, I think's the way it is. Or oh shoot. My poor dog, poor buddy. I hope he feels all right.
Possible chance of hitting a ballard real hard too.
No, you see how I'm doing going that way?
Well, I know. I'm just saying.
Off to an angle. That's why I'm doing that. So that we don't get the ballard.
Bruh.
Alright.
Might go back out of country, I guess, or
Country? What?
keep working
You
in
like went to the next state.
I don't know.
Out of the ha! It's always a little extra with you. Always a little extra.
I thought you said he was working in Holland or something.
No, Ohio. Ooh, that's close. It's always close. Nice. Nice work, guys. Shit. So I guess if you need to, you can cut those chunks up, throw them over.
Okay.
While I get ready. Here we go, fellas.
Right on.
Nailed it. Leave that one there and stand it up. That way you guys can stand on it and grab chunks of wood.